Hello, in this video I'm just gonna start very simply by just creating a new project in GEOREKA and give you a bit of an idea of the different sections of the software itself. To start, we need to create a new project, so we go to the top in the menu and there's new project, click the button. I'll overwrite the existing one that I have. You could just give it a new name as well. And after you've started your new project, you'll see something like this, so an empty 3D scene. You've got some tabs at the top, a number of activated buttons on the left and a number of buttons on the right. So the most important one is the 3D view. Everything that we do is just looking at data and or verifying the data in 3D. There's also an option to turn on a slicer and see things in section view. And then once you're familiar with the visuals, we'll also go into the processing. We'll go through the different items of processing, what this will all do, and then at the end we have something that we call descriptors, which is how we describe models in GEOREKA. So that's going to be in later videos. For now, most of what we'll do is just look at data in 3D, getting them to import and visualize. And we'll do that in the next video.